warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Ramdhani. I'm from class C. Introduction to language testing. Language testing is the process of measuring a person's ability to use language, both spoken and written. This test is important in the world of education, employment, and migration. The main purpose of language testing is to determine how well someone has mastered a particular language. In this field, experts create tests that are fair, valid, and in accordance with the reality of everyday language use. That way, the test results can be used for various purposes accurately and reliably. Concept and is Concept and issue in language test assessment. Assessment in language test involves several important concepts such as validity, reliability, fairness, and practicality. Validity is related to the extent to which the test measures the language ability that is actually intended to be measured. Reliability shows the consistency of test result when repeated. Fairness means that all test takers get the same opportunity without bias. Practically, Practicality concerns the extent to which the test can be implemented efficiently in terms of time and cost. Issue, Issues in language assessment include the difficulty in assessing language ability as a whole, the influence of social and cultural context, and the potential for unfairness for participants from different backgrounds. In addition, the use of test result for major decisions such as graduations or employment is also an important concern. Therefore, assessment must be designated carefully so that the results are accurate and useful. Principles of language assessment. Language assessment has several important principles that must be met so that the results are accurate and useful. These principles include validity, reliability, practicality, authenticity, and was back. Validity indicators whether the test actually measure the language ability to be assessed. Reliability related to the consistency of the result over time. Practicality includes the uh, e- easy easy of the designing and administering the test. Authenticity means that the test reflects real communication situations. Manuel Westbeck is the influence of the test on the learning and teaching process. All of all of these principles are interrelated and very important in designing an effective and fair language test. Designing language test in the classroom. Designing language test in the classroom is an important process to assess the extent to which students understand and master the language skills being taught. In this process, teachers must consider the learning objectives, the type of language skills to be tested, such as listening, speaking, reading, or writing, and the level of difficulty of the questions that are appropriate to the students' abilities. This must be designated based on the principles of validity, reliability, practicality, and fairness, so that the results can be trusted and useful for further teaching. In in additional, teachers also need to prepare clear instruction and create a variety of question formats so that students can demonstrate their abilities to the maximum. Well-designed tests can provide a real picture of students' language development and help teachers plan more effective teaching. Standard-based assessment is a form of assessment that refers to the achievement of certain competencies or standards that have been previously set. In the context of language learning, this assessment is used to measure the extent to which students' abilities in language skills, reading, writing, listening, and speaking are in accordance with curriculum standard or national guidelines. The main focus of this assessment is on specific learning outcomes, not just final grades. This means that students are assessed based on whether they have achieved the specific learning objective, not compared to other students. Standard-based assessment helps teachers identify students' strengths and weaknesses, provide appropriate feedback, and designate further learning that is appropriate to each student needs. Standardized testing. A standardized test is a type of test that is designed, implemented, and scored with the same procedure for all participants. This test is usually used to measure students' abilities objectively and compare the result on a wider scale, such as at schools, regional, or national level. Questions in standardized tests are ranked based on certain standards and tested first to ensure their validity and reliability. In language learning, standardized tests are often used to measure reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills systematically. Examples of standardized tests in language are TOEFL, IELTS, or UN. Although these tests are useful for large-scale evaluations, there is also criticism regarding their limitation in assessing language abilities comprehensively and contextually.